as the first 5 TPD biomethanation plant is made operational at the SCPDA market, I wish to congratulate each and everyone who was genuinely involved to ensure that this 5 TPD plant was made successful and is made operational today. Most especially, I wish to congratulate the former DMA and the present Under Secretary Tariq Thomas, the Margao Municipal Council Chief Officer Agnello Fernandez, and the other officials of the Margao Municipal Council for ensuring that finally this first 5 TPD plant could see the light of the day. If you recall, there were proposals of setting up 7 5 TPD plants in Margao at the cost of 4.81 crores. And this, the Shadow Council had very vociferously opposed, because this particular plant, which was costing half the amount, that is at the cost of 2.4 crores, it was being shelved and something new was being pushed up very aggressively. And that point of time, we agitated, we filed complaints, made representations to all possible authorities and asked them to give us justification. What is the difference between the 2.4 crore plant and the 4.81 crore plant? Because both had similar features. Both had 5 tons per day capacity. Both had a condition of 5 years operation and maintenance, which is also there in this present thing. So finally, this first 5 TPD plant is set up in Margao, and I also wish to further appreciate the Under Secretary Tariq Thomas and the officials for first making the plant operational and to check out how it's functioning, and only then the official inauguration has taken place. We don't want to take credit for this, but at least we are very much happy that the cause for which we were fighting, the cause for which our struggle to save nearly 17 crores of public funds finally has borne some fruit, and we see that the first plant has been set up in Margao. We hope that even if still there are intentions of setting up more plants, then the cost is the major factor, because finally today's day, when the entire state is suffering on account of funds, fund availability is very much a big concern. At that point of time, we don't want and we shall not tolerate any form of wastage of money by such plants which are double priced. We demand that the authorities should take care of this. And secondly, it doesn't end by commissioning the plant. What is more important to see is that the plant successfully runs for next 5 years and even thereafter. And for that, care has to be taken of the type of waste that goes into the plant, the type of waste that is fed into this plant. Because if mixed waste is fed into the plant, one fine day it's going to just collapse, and maintenance will be another headache for the authorities. No doubt it is under the company for first 5 years, but still the type of waste that is fed into this plant has to be taken care of, and to see that the success is achieved for the money that is being spent. And we hope that such plants based on the need are set up in other places and in other corners of the city, to see that the waste is managed properly and scientifically. Once again, I wish to congratulate all those involved to see the success of this plant. And so also, I wish to thank your media for having supported us by highlighting this issue through your media, which brought proper understanding between the people over this issue concerning such huge funds. I thank the media for helping us highlight this issue and see success today. Thank you very much.